Hey, I'm Sarah Roston, the Clinical Director here at Pediatric Interactions, and I wanted to take you on a quick little tour so that the first time you or your kid came to the center here, you kind of knew what to expect. So come on in, let's take a look around. Okay, so here we are in the waiting room. You'll see that it's very family friendly and a lot of little monkeys all around. It's a great place for the kids to come in, play, get comfortable with the environment, get ready to come back and play with the therapists. And it's a great place for parents to sit and hang out, and you can kind of form their own little social groups. Okay, so the very first room that some of the kids see here is the butterfly room. We have all our rooms named with fun-friendly animals so that the kids can kind of find their way around the clinic, so can the adults. But here's one of our rooms that we actually do some of our classes in. So we have classes that we partner with Weebits on, and we do singing and signing, or we do infant massage, and other just different community classes to help with parents' education. And this is one of the rooms that sometimes we'll use right off the waiting room. So here's the kitchen I'm going to show you. And you ask, why do I show you the kitchen? Because in addition to just speech and language therapy, we also work on feeding. Feeding is the foundation of all how the muscles move to help you also talk. So let's take a look in here and see if anyone's eating anything yummy. And here's Deanna and one of her friends having a snack right now. We also have groups for feeding as well. Now here's a fun room. What kid doesn't love a swing or a slide? This is the monkey room, and we come and we play in here so that the kids can get movement, which is going to stimulate their systems and help them with their communication. You also see we have two smaller rooms off of here, so that if a kid needs to work in a smaller area and more one-on-one and not have the distractions, then they can work into those smaller rooms. But here we try and make everything really natural and really interactive so that normal conversations can occur with other therapists, with other children, and the kids can just have fun and enjoy what they're doing here in therapy. One of the techniques that we provide here at Pediatric Interactions is MNRI. So we do have massage tables that we can work with the children on the tables, but we also try and integrate everything that we're doing in therapy into daily routines, into functional activities, so you as a parent have an easier time carrying it over at home, and your child can have faster success with their goals. So here's our jungle room. This is where a lot of our groups occur as well. We have a separate waiting room for some of our families to come through. We also have an observation window, so the families can watch how their children are doing with other peers. We do a monkey group, which is like a preschool group where the kids can come for the first time and experience what it's like to be in a group setting with a teacher, without mom, in a small, safe environment. So this is one of our fun rooms. You should see it when there's kids in here. It gets kind of crazy. So here's our fish room. This is actually a room where we do a lot of computer program games like aerobics. We do interactive metronomes. So we're working on language skills, sequencing, timing. We also bring some of our older kids in here because it's a little bit more grown up and it's not as kiddish. So they feel more comfortable coming and working on executive functioning, articulation, or even some language processing skills. So here's where the real work happens and the real brains behind the scenes. This is where our therapists work. We all have computers so that we're able to do our notes and send them electronically to you from either home visits or when we're here at the clinic. You have your note right away. You know what your child did. You also know what you can do with your child to carry skills over at home. And right away, you have a way to communicate easily with your therapist. Okay, so now you're ready to schedule your appointment with us. It's not scary. You know what it looks like. It's not a doctor's office. We have a ton of fun here. So call us for a free developmental screening where we can take a look at what your child's doing, where they should be, activities you can do, and we can make recommendations if there should be a further evaluation or if we're recommending any other kind of services. We also then can schedule your individual evaluation, therapy sessions, group sessions, and Krisha here, our office manager, she's great at working with your insurance company. So give us a call at 847-223-7433. You can email us, or you can always check us out on the web, www.pediatricinteractions.com. Thanks for taking the time to look around, and we hope to see you soon. Bye!